fire attack where happened for her house. This one a really sad story. Because this lady just barely come out 4 hours. Say make she go on a boat cruise. Make she just go enjoy her life small. Before she go come back, everything where they inside her house don't burn to ashes. Both her clothes, her passport, everything don't even burn. By the time we will come back, everything don't damn. Nothing again where she fit carry come out from this house. My people, I beg, make now follow me watch.
Hey, Kendall. Water meter is outside, not here. The water
no, the embassy, the bank. Sorry, it happened.
No, I finished crying. There's something I can do.
Hey! Sorry to this our Ghanaian sister. But at least you suppose even they're very, very grateful to God. See, at least you know they inside this fire attack when this thing happened. Because now she said they claim say now she no get anything again. Say how she want to start. Say the only thing where she get now the clothes where she wear take come out. Say in fact everything don't spoil. But what surprised me for this matter? Now when this fire start, they say immediately fire service people come. But as they reach there, they say the smoke too much, so they no go fit enter inside this place. Where if they hear this kind of thing? On our way be fire, and I no get someone to be say you go feel protect on her from smoke. So because of that one, then this fire they no do anything. They just stand there, they look, they think about what they go do. Fine, that one go. No, they no fit do anything. Another car come. So okay, at least another motor don't come to come quench fire. Motor reach water no day. Hey, on they see this kind Ghana one of the priest. Water no day now for them to quench fire. Now there they can go carry generator so at least make the pump water. They start this generator tire generator no gree work. They start and hey now wow this one they surprise me. They start this thing it no gree work. Last they go decide make they go tap water from person house. So it means say this fire service wahala now everywhere now day. Because I surprised the fire service go come out from their station. Common water no dey. What thing I come there for? And this thing for no even bad reach like this. If no be said that these people no even come with any plan, my people make no even be like side over brag, make na use na eye. See for on herself.
Oh Jesus, 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 Jesus.
In fact, for me, now these fire service people now just fail this lady. Because they come there early. And if say now off this thing, in fact, this whole house will not even burn down. But it means that they don't even get gadgets. I beg Ghana government, what is not going to do? When we say fire service, common and water, they no get. Generator self where they get, say make we use the no work. What it can be the essence of the work? Now for those sit down for the house, they sleep. Because this one, it don't even make sense. Now, even can cause the more damage. Because at least if say people don't even go there, see me they go they pour water, I sure say something go off. Now because they don't put their mind on top of it, say okay, now come early. At least now go do something. This one now, nothing where they fit do. Smoke just they now stand there, they do nothing, say smoke too much. Now wow, this kind of thing is blessing our disease for Africa. When we say that they work, they no fit just work right. Something will just get come up for this kind of thing. But I beg, I still thank God say your life, they okay. You know die, nothing do your picking. At least somehow, you go start from somewhere. Just thank God for that. And I beg government people, make na find something to do about this na fire service matter. The thing don't they get out of hand. And if like say now inside Ghana, fire every day. I don't know what they happen. Be and I go appease na gods. Make it happen and solve the problem because this one don't do too much. My people, I hear this story as make I bring and come. Make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything I feel about this matter, make na no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video. Pastor Chris Okotie, being a Reverend Chris Okotie, don't come outside. They talk another one about TB Joshua. This man don't die, still they don't go let this man rest in peace. Now this man don't come outside and talk, say TB Joshua say him be magician, say him be sorcerer. For those of now where this English hard for him mean say TB Joshua na wizard. Say this man just they claim to they carry Bible up and down. Say this man no be real man of God. Oh. Say even when this man dey alive, if you not reason him, he no too like this TB Joshua. Say he no like the man matter at all. So what make can no even like him because say this man they carry himself like saying be Jesus. So why be say this man go they act like saying be Jesus? I know say some people go they vex. After they talk this one, they go listen na me they act pepper. My people beg, make na use na eye, see for yourself.
Joshua took that name because he believes that he is another Jesus. He believes that God sent him to our world to bring reconciliation between God and mankind, exactly the same way the Lord Jesus was sent. And so Joshua claimed that he is that one that the Lord has appointed in this generation to bring reconciliation to or between God and man. And he's not the first to propose such a ludicrous concept. Because even Jesu Onyibo did the same thing. He calls himself Emmanuel. And we have the same thing with the entity in Calabar who used to call himself I Am. So Joshua believed that he is another Jesus. That's why he took the name Joshua. Because that's the name that Jesus bore when he was right here on earth. The full name is Jehoshua, which means Jehovah is salvation. The name Joshua and the name Jesus are exactly the same. The word Joshua is taken from the Hebrew as Yeshua into the Greek in transliteration. It becomes Jesus. And then from the Greek into the Latin, it becomes Isus. And then into the English, it becomes Jesus. See, and the reason why he took that name is because he's the Old Testament Jehovah Elohim. He came from eternity into time by the process of incarnation. And therefore, all those Jehovah names and manifestations were telescoped into one name, Yeshua, or Joshua, which means Jehovah is salvation. That is the name that Joshua claims. And he took that name to show his equality with the Lord Jesus. Because if he took any other name, then it would appear that he was subservient to Christ. And that is why he bore the name Joshua, so that he would testify to this generation that he is another Jesus.
In fact, I don't know as I want to end this matter for this man. Because if I say this Pastor Chris, I'm not going to call him. He carry this TB Joshua matter for her too much. So what make TB Joshua they behave like that now? Because him they feel say he won't bring reconciliation to the world. See, and from day one, he never even believe in this TB Joshua at all. Say, he know they even trust the man matter. Say, because he knows say this man a false prophet. He knows everything where this man they do, he just they fake everything. Say this man na magic in the perform for that stage. Say everything where they do, every say person go faint. This one, say everything na magical. Say if saying be true man, he no go they call himself prophet. Say he go they call himself apostle, teacher, and some other name. Hey, now you won't come give pastor in your name again. But say the only reason we make TB Joshua the trainer because of say waiting, in they do good to people, saying they help people. I beg, why this man no consider focus on that part where be saying they do good? Because if na reason no be bad thing to do good. Oh. So if this man don't stand up, say he want they do, I beg, what be the fault for there again? Why be say person no go allow this man just make him body just even go? The man don't even still in death, now still they fight the dead. Now so na be. And you where they complain say this man, you unko. Only God I know who be true prophet and who be true man of God. Even you where they talk now, you don't know what person they talk for your back. Because you yourself now lover boy musician now you be. Before you come outside say God don't go call you. And nobody talk about your matter. Why be say TB Joshua own you can't carry and they carry her for head like say you and him na be family. I be the man come meet you for inside in dream say do this for me. I be tell people say na like this happy. If this man feels say okay yes, he won't be like Jesus. Make Jesus fight for himself. No be you go come outside now when they talk all this kind one. And the person where they talk, no be say the person even there to give you reply. You just there they talk to I don't know, but I just want trend self. So I beg I don't know as I go take beg you. Pastor Chris, just go rest. You're talking don't they too much. People don't tire for him. Not only you now go talk saying people just do this one, he do down. And as they talk when the man even there, you know they answer you. So now when done that, I beg let the man so rest in peace. Make him rest. You say face your congregation, face your pastor work. Make you comot mouth for person matter. This one way I don't tire for your matter. People they complain say you don't overdo am. Say make you go sit down for one place. Calm down. They don't tire for your own. My people beg, wetin una say fear about this Pastor Chris matter? He tire una be never tire. Wetin una feel? Make una write am inside the comment section. Make una no come forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.